What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today we have something very fun in the kitchen. We're going to be trying out this Joydeem electric steamer. I have a couple of ideas of things I want to make with this. Today we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to look at its features, and we're going to make us some easy to peel hard-boiled eggs and make us a delicious egg salad sandwich. So what's up? It's Wednesday. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So, one of my favorite things I have in my kitchen is my dough maker. And that dough maker was made by Joydeem. So today we're going to be looking at their steamer. And if it's as half as cool as their dough maker, I think we're in for a treat today for Wednesday, right?
Sure.
So a steamer is really versatile because you can make vegetables. You're not adding a lot of extra added fats or oils. You're just adding natural steam to do the cook. Woo! So one of the things I thought, it's upside down. One of the things I thought was really interesting about this is normally on electric steamers, you might have the levels, but this one, the base of it, you can actually use it as a hot pot, or you can use it to make soup in. So I thought that was kind of cool. So I think what we're going to do is we will be doing I want to do a chicken noodle soup in a steamer, right? So we can steam some vegetables and some chicken, and in the bottom have the liquid, put a little bit of fideo in there, and have us a little chicken soup right in a steamer, right? So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Joydeem for sending this. I'll put links to this amazing steamer down in the description so you can check it out.
So you're saying we're going to have a little mini series of Joydeem?
Yeah, we're going to have a mini steamer series. There's tons of stuff. The best way to cook hard-boiled eggs is to steam them. So that's what we're going to do today. So here's the lid of our steamer. Awesome. This is nice weight. The other thing that I think that's really interesting about the steamer, here's our manual. Shows you all the functions and how to use it, how to use the controls, and a food processing table, so it tells you the times. One of the things I think that's really interesting about this steamer is it's stainless steel. A lot of those triple-decker, double-decker steamers are plastic, so when that plastic heats up, it's just plastic on your food, which is not good, right? This steam, whoa, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be. Awesome. Amazing amount of room. This steamer is stainless steel, right? This is not your silly little plastic steamer. This is amazing. You could do, right in here, you could do some broccoli, put a piece of chicken, some corn, some potatoes. Look at how big this is. This is amazing. This is, doesn't say like quarts. Level number 2. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I think this is going to be similar to how I like the dough maker, I think. Wow. This thing, wow, is awesome. Now this is a steamer. This is not one of those flimsy little steamers you get at your discount store. So we're going to put on, whoa, whoa, look at this baby. Look at this baby. This is awesome. There's a little sticker right here. It says caution hot.
Yeah, I think we can remove that.
Whoa, this thing is amazing. So it says dessert, meat, seafood, porridge, hot pot, and eggs. So you can do hot pot down here. You can make your soup down there. This is really nice. I thought it was going to be small and we could only make a small soup, but you can make quite a big soup in there.
I think we'll save the soup for a day where it's not 100 degrees outside.
Yeah. So we're going to steam the eggs. I like a 12-minute egg. And so how we're going to do this in here is it has levels here. You put the water in based on the number of minutes. So if you want to do 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, all the way up to a 50-minute steam, and there's a max, so like 60 minutes. So I'm going to put water in here up to the 20-minute mark. So the very first thing we need to do is put the water in here. And this is a steamer. This directs the steam up. So let me grab some water. So we're going to start pouring in our water. That was 2 cups. So 4 cups took us up the 20-minute mark. So I'm going to put this in here, and I put 8 eggs in here. And I'm going to put the lid on, and now we're going to program the steamer. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and there's dessert, meat, seafood, egg, hot pot, soup, porridge. I think dessert is what you use for general steaming. We're going to go over here to egg. It's saying 18 minutes, but I think that's going to be because it has to heat up, right? So we're going to let it go, and it's going to turn on, and we're going to have us some eggs.
Yay.
Hard-boiled eggs.
Yay.
Hard steam eggs. Yeah. Okay. Our eggs are done. So it automatically switched to a keep warm. But we need to get these eggs out of here and plunge them into some cold water. Okay, so I'm going to take this lid off. Woo! We have some hot eggs in here. And we're going to go take our eggs, plunge them into cold water, ice water. This is going to stop the cooking, and it'll keep us from getting those rings around the eggs. Woo! It's nice and hot in there. The steamer did a great job. Woo! So let these cool for a minute so I can handle them, and then we'll peel them. Okay, so we have our eggs. Woo, this water is cold. We're just gonna crack them. Let's see, look how easy the peel comes off. It's just perfect. Steaming is the best way. Because a lot of times when you peel eggs, the eggs rip and you don't get this perfect egg. Look at that. That's a beauty. Look at that. Look how beautiful that egg looks. Wow, the steamer did a great job.
I think it steamed it for about 14 minutes because...
Look at the color of this. There's absolutely no gray on the outside of this. This is why you steam eggs. This cooker did an amazing job. I just hit the egg button, put 8 eggs in there, and bam, right? So let me finish peeling these. They're so easy to peel. Look how beautiful that comes out. Look at that. Look at that. People ask me how to cook scrambled eggs, hard-boiled eggs. Look at that. Beautiful. Let me finish peeling these and we'll be right back. So Eric so lovingly smashed the eggs for us.
Yeah, so now I got arthritis.
Look at how beautiful that is. There was no green or gray on the edge of
they're
those
beautiful.
eggs.
That's all yellow.
So normally I do them 12 minutes, but if you put them in here when the steamer is cold, then it's got to come up to pressure.
It took about 4 minutes for it to come up and start producing steam.
It did a fantastic job. It was like, boom, set it and forget it, right? We have beautiful eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and put some mayo in here. How much? As much as you want, right? Put a little mustard, a little drop.
Well, you got about a drop left in there.
I would say we need to get some mustard the next time we go to the store. Stir that in. I need a little bit more. How much you say? I don't know.
1-to-1 relationship, mayonnaise to eggs.
No. But you want your eggs to look nice and yummy. Wow, those look nice and yummy.
Yeah.
That looks beautiful. Very nice. So I'm not going to put any salt, but I'm going to put some pepper. The reason I'm not putting salt is the mayo is certainly salty enough for me. That looks nice. So let's make some sandwiches. To mayo or not to mayo the bread? You want me to mayo or not mayo?
I'll go dry.
You're going dry bread?
Yeah, because you got plenty in the eggs.
Okay.
This isn't
That's what he said.
It's not exactly diet food.
That's what he said. I did put quite a bit of mayo. I think I over mayoed the eggs here. What do you think?
I think that looks great. Don't forget lettuce. I need to eat healthy, right?
To tomato or not to tomato the eggs?
I need tomato.
There you go.
That's good.
I think we need to go a little salt
A little salt on the tomatoes.
and a little pepper on the tomato.
Sure.
Beep, beep.
One piece of green. Do not go overzealous on me, please.
Only one piece of lettuce.
You know me.
Here's some leaf lettuce.
Me and greens don't get along. Thank you. Oh, that looks so pretty.
So we have our sandwich here, and we want to use a bread knife to reduce the squish factor. Go straight on through. And this is a very fancy bread. It's Dave's Killer Bread. Perfect lunchtime.
We tried to get Prepper's Farm at our local supermarket, but every version of it has whey.
Oh yeah, it had.
So Amy couldn't eat it because it's a milk allergy. Imagine that, milk in bread.
So we have a delicious egg salad sandwich here. Here you go, boo-boo.
Thank you, boo-boo.
This time, I'm going to use my spoon so I don't spill it. You always learn on the second sandwich. I always love tomato. Like the tomato makes the egg salad sandwich. You can put pickle on here. That's why I put tomato on my breakfast sandwiches. When I was in law school, the cafeteria did that. And I was like, I love it like that, right? I'll put a link to my famous breakfast sandwich. We got a little lettuce action going on. Topper. And we got our bread knife here. You gotta cut quick. Take no prisoners, right? Sandwich on. Sandwich on the plate. And a little bit of chips. Yum! So my thoughts about the Joydeem Steamer. This thing worked awesome. The eggs came out beautiful, perfect on the egg setting. I didn't have to do any of the calculating. I did 8 eggs. You could do a whole bunch of eggs in here. You could do dozens in there, actually. If you have a big party coming up, a big holiday, you have to make a whole bunch of deviled eggs, angel eggs. Awesome, right? Link will be down in the description for this. This steamer is amazing. We're going to do a soup in this next. We're going to do a chicken noodle soup in a steamer with the fideo.
Your sandwich tastes good.
Absolutely beautiful and delicious egg salad sandwich. It's a fundamental. And if you haven't had one in a while, make one. They're delicious. Try it out in the Joydeem Steamer. Thanks, Joydeem. Link will be in the description. I gotta go eat my sandwich.